Plant family. For genera in Alstroemeriaceae. Exploring the Alstroemeriaceae plant family. The Alstroemeriaceae family is one of my favorite plant families because it is full of vibrancy, beauty, and uniqueness. If you're someone who loves ornamental plants with stunning blooms, you'll probably share my appreciation for the Alstroemeriaceae. This family has a few remarkable genera, each offering a distinct charm that brings life to any garden or indoor space. Let me share more about this fascinating plant family, the various genera it comprises, and why it has become such a significant part of my plant collection. The beauty of Alstroemeriaceae. Alstroemeriaceae is a family of flowering plants primarily found in South America, though a few species have also made their way into parts of North America. What draws me in the most are their beautiful, vibrant flowers that seem to dance in the wind. These flowers are not just about looks. They carry a symbolic meaning of friendship and devotion, making them perfect for gifting and brightening up spaces. For those unfamiliar with this family, the most well-known genus is Alstroemeria, commonly known as the Peruvian lily or lily of the Incas. Its striking flowers, with their unique spots and stripes, are favorites in floral arrangements and have an exceptional vase life, sometimes lasting up to 2 weeks. Whenever I have guests over, I always display an arrangement of Alstroemeria because of their long-lasting beauty and ability to captivate attention. The Alstroemeriaceae family isn't massive, but it has some truly remarkable genera, each with its own character. Here are the main genera you'll come across. Alstroemeria, as I mentioned earlier, this genus is the superstar of the family. With over 50 species, it's known for its brightly colored flowers that are often used in bouquets and garden displays. I love how diverse they are, with different species offering a wide array of colors from pinks and purples to yellows and oranges. 128 species in genus Alstroemeria. Boehmeria. This genus is a bit less known, but no less impressive. Boehmeria has climbing or trailing plants, and I find their tubular flowers and striking leaves add a touch of wild elegance to any space. If you're into vines and want something unique, consider adding Boehmeria to your garden. Luzeriega. This genus consists of plants that are native to the temperate forests of southern South America. They produce small, white or greenish flowers, and while they may not be the most visually striking, they have a subtle beauty that speaks to me. Dromophila. Growth and care tips. Alstroemeriaceae plants, particularly those in the Alstroemeria genus, are fairly easy to grow once you understand their preferences. I've had the most success growing them in well-drained soil with plenty of organic matter. They thrive in full sun to partial shade, and although they can handle a bit of neglect, regular watering will keep them looking their best. One thing to keep in mind is that Alstroemeria plants, especially hybrids, can be sensitive to extreme heat or cold. I've found that they do best in temperate climates, but you can grow them in containers and move them indoors if your region experiences harsh weather. Fertilizing with a balanced fertilizer during the growing season has always given me good results, encouraging vibrant blooms. As for pests, aphids and spider mites can sometimes be an issue, but regular inspections and organic treatments like neem oil keep them in check. Why I love Alstroemeriaceae. As someone who's spent years growing a variety of plants, the Alstroemeriaceae family holds a special place in my garden. Its members are perfect for anyone who wants to add color and texture to their spaces. What makes them even better is their versatility. Whether planted in garden beds, borders, or containers, these plants thrive in a range of environments. Beyond their aesthetic appeal, I appreciate the meaning behind the Alstroemeria flowers. They symbolize friendship, prosperity, and mutual support, which resonates with me on a personal level. Every time I walk past these plants in my garden, I'm reminded of the friendships I've built through my passion for gardening. Conclusion. If you're looking to diversify your plant collection or simply want to brighten up your space with some truly vibrant flowers, the Alstroemeriaceae family is a great place to start. From the well-known Alstroemeria to the lesser-known Boehmeria and Leontichere, this family offers a range of beautiful plants that are easy to grow and care for. Whether you're an experienced gardener or a beginner, there's something in this family that will appeal to you. Just make sure you provide them with the right care, and these plants will reward you with stunning blooms year after year. For me, they are a staple in my collection, and I can't imagine my garden without them.